Music analysis tasks are tedious and time-consuming when performed manually, since understanding common music notation requires proficiency and years of training. Often, existing visualizations to support distant reading of sheet music are decoupled from its familiar context, hampering the understanding of the connection to the underlying musical information. As a consequence, music analysts remain to apply traditional methods within common music notation only, without the benefit of linking close and distant reading. We contribute a visual analytics technique to bridge this gap by augmenting digital sheet music with abstract glyph visualizations. Visual glyph designs are suitable to enable the separate analysis of musical features. The technique comprises 4 abstraction layers with seamless transitions in between to connect close and distant reading of sheet music. The aggregation of glyphs support the summarized analysis of larger musical sections. Data-driven split criteria suggestions and interactive feature queries assist the flexible exploration of musical compositions. We implemented MusicVis as an instantiation of the technique to showcase how to use existing glyph designs for harmony and rhythm. MusicVis is designed to support music analysts to perform 5 different analysis tasks: data exploration, form identification, structural analysis, understanding harmonic, rhythmic, and melodic relationships, and comparative analysis. MusicVis consists of 5 different components: the composition view, the structure management view, and the visual queries for harmony, rhythm, and melody. While the sheet level displays common music notation, the augmented sheet level provides additional fingerprints for harmony and rhythm. The progression level provides a better overview about the glyphs without the original notation. At the projection level, users can analyze the overall rhythmic and harmonic complexity of a composition. In the split configuration view, we display a list of different split criteria, including repetitions, key and time signatures, and dynamic changes. The analyst can always combine custom and provided splits to analyze the structure of a piece. Besides, harmonic, rhythmic, and melodic searches can be used to quickly define semantic splittings based on the data characteristics of a composition. The visual queries allow to filter the harmonic and rhythmic fingerprints at each level. Users can query a composition by an automatic selection of statistical and semantic feature templates, or create custom queries which they can save as separate templates. Using the visual query search, analysts can perform customized queries and locate rotated versions of a given fingerprint in the composition view. To identify fingerprint anomalies, the visual query can be changed to highlight dissimilar entities. MusicVis provides a useful melody search that enables users to identify important motifs and repetitive occurrences of a melody. Via the lasso function, users can quickly find exact repetitions of a melody throughout a composition. In addition, the music analyst can specify exact melodies based on intervals and can also find transposed versions or only consider the interval's direction. To illustrate and demonstrate the capabilities of our approach, we perform a short analysis on Bach's Prelude in C major. First, we transition from the sheet level to the projection level to get an overview of this piece by analyzing its rhythmic characteristics. As we can see by the rhythm summary glyph, a diverse set of notes is used from whole to 30-second notes. The relevance score indicates that the rhythmic summary does not properly reflect the overall rhythmic patterns at the sheet level though. After switching to the harmony overlay, the harmonic summary indicates that about a fifth of the piece has the pitch C as the root. The harmonic summary also shows that Bach's Prelude also uses pitches that do not belong to the C major scale, like F sharp and G sharp. By splitting the glyphs and transitioning from the projection level back to the augmented sheet level, we can investigate in which measures Bach uses pitches from other scales. Using the harmonic query to filter these pitches, we find that they occur in more than half of the piece. Let's see if there are commonalities along the remaining measures. With the lasso query, we can identify that Bach uses only C major scale notes in the last 4 measures and whenever the main motive from the start recurs. The so-established harmonic diversification makes up a unique but yet short composition. To evaluate our approach, we have conducted a pair analytic study with users of different groups including teachers, students, musicians, and musicologists. Our evaluation results reveal that our technique supports these users to better recognize dominant rhythmic patterns, to identify repetitive harmonic chord progressions, and to analyze the main themes or variations of melodic motifs in a composition. We have introduced a visual analytics technique to augment common music notation with abstract glyph visualizations. We demonstrated that using staged animations to connect close and distant reading views of sheet music supports music analysts to trace abstract information back to the original representation.